Have you ever had that quiet moment where you wonder if there's something more out there? Something that feels bigger than just another hustle? Something that actually aligns with who you are and what you care about? That's exactly how so many of us felt the first time we discovered Illumera Life. Illumera Life isn't just another company. It's a genuine movement built around wellness, hope, real community, and the beautiful possibility of creating a life that feels good on every level. It's about waking up each morning knowing you're part of something meaningful, helping people feel more balanced, more vibrant, and more connected to what matters most. And the best part? You can be right in the middle of it as an independent representative. When you join Illumera Life, you step into a role that feels good in your heart and makes sense in your life. You get to share products you truly believe in, products that support daily wellness in a natural, thoughtful way. There's something incredibly rewarding about introducing someone to PluriActiv and watching their eyes light up when they realize this could be the missing piece they've been looking for. You're not just selling something, you're offering real possibility. You're helping people feel better, live better, and even earn better, while you do the same. At the center of everything is our flagship product, PluriActiv. This is the hero product that started it all. A premium fermented botanical blend rooted in time-honored Thai herbal wisdom. PluriActiv supports your body's natural immune function, promotes digestive wellness, helps maintain healthy skin, and encourages overall vitality as part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle. It's the daily foundation that so many people fall in love with right away. And it gets even better when you pair it with our pluripatches. These innovative transdermal supports are designed to work beautifully alongside PluriActiv. Take the PluriNAD Ageless Patch and the Inner Renewal Patch with NAC. Together with PluriActiv, they create a powerful, synergistic approach that supports cellular vitality, antioxidant activity, and that graceful sense of resilience so many of us are looking for as we move through life. People love the simplicity and the way everything just feels like it's working together in harmony. Now here's where the opportunity starts to feel really exciting. Because when you become an independent representative, you're not only helping others with wellness, you're also putting yourself in a position to improve your own financial picture in more than one way. First, you get immediate access to the Illumera Lifesavers app. It's designed to help you save money on things you're probably already buying: groceries, gas, dining out, travel, everyday essentials. Members enjoy cashback offers and special savings that can really add up. The one-time investment to become an independent representative is just $59.95, which includes your first month's membership. After that, it's only $9.95 per month to maintain your membership and keep enjoying all the benefits. Many people find that their everyday savings more than offset this modest monthly amount. So right from the start, the app can help make your participation feel even lighter on the wallet. But the real magic happens when you start sharing the Illumera Life membership, PluriActiv, and those synergistic pluripatch combinations with others. You earn through product sales and by building your own team of happy customers and fellow representatives. Some people begin part-time, maybe sharing with a few friends and family, and see their first checks coming in within weeks. Others go full-time and build something truly life-changing. One person might earn a few $100s a month by simply staying consistent and helping a handful of people get started. Another might grow their group over time and create a beautiful recurring income stream that provides real financial breathing room. And here's what makes this so special. The income can be recurring. When customers love the products and keep coming back month after month, you earn on those repeat orders. It's not about one-time sales. It's about building relationships and creating ongoing value. That's how so many representatives build a genuine safety net, an alternative income stream that can grow steadily over time. Whether you're doing this part-time around your current job or going all in and making it your full-time focus. Results vary, of course. They always do. At Illumera Life, you're your own boss. Earning an income is not guaranteed. The income you earn depends on your effort, your consistency, your willingness to learn and connect with people. But the beautiful thing is that the system is simple, the products are exceptional, and the support is real. Illumera Life has created an environment where good people come together to lift each other up. You'll never be alone in this. You'll have a warm, supportive community of like-minded people who are cheering you on, sharing what works, and celebrating every win together. The barrier to entry is low, the training is practical, and the mission feels good in your soul. So if you're watching this right now and something inside you is saying, "This could be it. This could be the change I've been hoping for," then I want you to do one simple thing. Reach back out to the person who shared this video with you. Tell them you're interested. Ask your questions. Take that next small step. Because this isn't just about products or income. It's about becoming part of a movement that matters. It's about feeling proud of what you do every single day. It's about hope, possibility, and the satisfaction of knowing you're helping create something better for yourself, your family, and for everyone you touch. You've got everything you need right here. The only question left is, are you ready to say yes to a brighter future? Go ahead and message the person who sent you this video. They're excited to hear from you, and they can't wait to welcome you into the Illumera Life family. We're so glad you're here. Let's do this, together. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Results may vary. Always consult your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Results are not guaranteed and vary from person to person. Income depends on your individual effort, consistency, skill level, time invested, and market conditions. The examples shared are for illustration purposes only and are not typical. There is no assurance you will earn any specific amount or recover your investment. The Illumera Life Independent Representative Opportunity requires ongoing effort and is not a get-rich-quick program.